Namaste Seekers, welcome to the Seekers Mat. Today we are diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful yoga posture, Sukhasana, also known as easy pose. This posture is often used for meditation and breath work, but it offers much more. In this video, I'll guide you through how to perform Sukhasana, what are the benefits, and who should avoid it. So let's begin. So now let's talk about the contraindications and who should avoid Sukhasana. If you have severe knee or hip pain, this pose may be uncomfortable. People with sciatica or lower back pain should use a cushion or avoid prolonged sitting. If you have discomfort or numbness in your legs, adjust your position or take breaks. Always listen to your body. If you are feeling discomfort or uneasiness while doing the pose, either modify your pose or consult a yoga expert. How to perform Sukhasana. Find a comfortable space, sit on a yoga mat or cushion. Cross your legs naturally. Let your feet rest under opposite knees. Straighten your spine, keep your back upright and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands. Place them on your knees in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Focus on your breath and relax. Stay in Sukhasana for as long as you are comfortable, whether for meditation, for pranayam, or just to simply calm the mind. Now let's talk about the benefits of Sukhasana. Physical benefits. It improves body posture and spinal alignment, increases flexibility in hips, knees, and ankles, reduces stress or tension in the lower back. If we talk about the mental benefit, it enhances focus and mental clarity. It promotes relaxation and reduces stress. It helps in emotional balance and inner peace. If we talk about the spiritual benefits, prepares the mind for deep meditation, balances the energy flow in the body, encourages the mindfulness and self-awareness. So Sukhasana is more than just sitting cross-legged. It's a gateway to mindfulness and stillness. I hope you like this video, and for more such videos, please share and subscribe my channel. I hope I'm going to see you in next video. Till then, stay safe and keep practicing. Love you all.